I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow mustard greens in a container. Start by selecting a 6 to 12-inch container with drainage and a compact seed variety. Sow seeds 1/4 inch deep and thin to 2 inches apart after germination. Water gently to keep soil evenly moist but not soggy, and place the container where it gets 4 to 6 hours of sun or bright shade daily. In this video, I will show how to grow mustard greens in a container. Begin by sowing seeds 1/4 inch deep and cover with a thin soil layer, keeping the medium consistently moist until sprouts appear. Thin seedlings to 2 inches for robust leaves, and apply a diluted balanced fertilizer every 3 weeks. Rotate containers every few days if needed to keep plants growing evenly and prevent leaning toward light. In this video, I will show how to grow mustard greens in a container. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with music and hands-free timers, which is perfect when you are juggling watering and harvests. It's compact enough to fit on a porch table and makes keeping track of your schedule easy and fun. Please subscribe and like if this helped. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to grow mustard greens in a container. Water consistently so the top inch of soil never fully dries, and avoid waterlogged conditions to protect roots. Harvest outer leaves when they reach 3 to 6 inches to encourage new growth, and harvest before plants bolt for best flavor. Inspect plants weekly for pests, and use gentle controls like soapy water or hand removal to manage infestations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.